I'm Dr. Nick. Come on over here with me. All right, we got Ashley here. Ashley, how you feeling today?
Good, thank you.
Good to see you again. All right, so Ashley usually gets a little low back pain, some headaches, and some neck pain. So, Ashley, how's that stuff feeling today?
Pretty good.
Yeah, is it good? All right. Any tension anywhere? Anything in the low back, mid back?
A little bit in the low back.
Okay, how have your headaches been doing lately?
Excellent.
Okay,
Excellent.
good to hear. All right, so go ahead and lay face down. We're going to get started. So, we're going to start off with a little bit of decompression on the low back here. This is great for the muscles and the discs and the nerves in the low back. So we're going to bring that up a little bit. And let's get that table on good. All right. And when we're doing this, we're feeling the hips, we're feeling the tension of the muscles in the low back, kind of feeling for any misalignments or stiffness to the spine anywhere. And it's feeling pretty good. There's a little bit of a misalignment in the hips here that we're going to correct in a second. So let's go ahead and finish up with this decompression there. That's very good. And let's take a look at the mid-back. So we're going to come up here, we're going to feel it out a little bit. And there's a little stiff spot right there. You can feel the tight muscles on the left side, so we're going to take care of that. Take a deep breath in there, Ashley. And let it all the way out. There we go. Good. And then a little bit up here between the shoulder blades. We find that a lot of people get tension right there, especially if they're sitting a lot at work or something like that. So one more there, Ashley. And out again. There it is. Awesome. All right, now let's take care of these hips. So what I'm going to have you do is lay on your side facing me this way. There we go. All right, now I'm going to have you cross your arms. Good. That leg's going to come up a little bit. There it is. Awesome. Other side. And good. Let's see. There it is. Awesome. All right, go ahead and lay on your back. Let's see how the neck's feeling today. Yeah, good. All right, so now we're just feeling for stiffness, prominency to the neck bones, misalignments, etc. And we got a little something going on right here. This one seems to be associated with people that have headaches. There it is. Awesome. And a little bit over here as well on the left side. There it is. Very good, very gentle, very effective. That's been another Kauffman Chiropractic Minute. Maybe it's about time you try chiropractic.